morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you were watching. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, as you can see from the title, it's going to be the College Diaries episode 16. So ayun, today is April 2, 2024 and it's currently 7:50 AM in the morning and today is Tuesday. And ayun guys, sa second semester namin ngayong first year college, I think isa pa lang yung nabavlog ko, which is yung College Diaries episode 15. So ito siya. Kung hindi nyo na pa napapanood, make sure na panoorin nyo na. So ayun, isang beses pa lang ako nakakapag-vlog ngayong second semester. It's because medyo nag-adjust pa ako ngayong second semester and also tinapos ko muna i-edit and i-upload yung mga vlogs ko from 2024 pa and halos lahat ng drafts para hindi ako matambakan. And ayun, nagpahinga din muna ako sa pagva-vlog. So ayun nga guys, it's April na and hanggang May katapusan na lang yung pasok natin. So in 2 months, tapos na agad ang freshman year natin. So, ayun guys, I promise you na bago matapos yung freshman year ko, I'm going to upload 8 vlogs pa para all in all 25 college diaries. So, I think every year, hanggang sa matapos ako mag-college, I'm going to upload 25 college diaries. So, it's going to be 100 college diaries buong college life ko. So, ayun nga guys. So, yun lang naman. And, ayun, for my look, this is my look. So, ayan, kanina hindi ako pawis. But now, bigla akong pinagpawisan. Kasi ngayon na lang ulit ako, guys, nag-vlog. So, medyo kinakabahan ako. So, ayan nga, guys. This is my look. And for our uniform, for second semester or our summer uniform, guys, sa CTHM, this is my uniform. So, eto siya, guys. It's a polo with a logo ng CTHM. And for my hair, this is my hair. So, eto guys, ngayong 2024, ang ginagawa ko, every time na papasok ako, I'm trying to start trying different hairstyles na kasi guys. So, ang ginagawa ko, kapag ito yung hairstyle ko guys, and ayan, as you can see, sa gitna na yung hati niya. And ang ginagawa ko guys, kapag malapit na ako sa school, pag nagre-retouch ako bago bumaba ng bus, nilulugay ko yan guys, tas magiging kulot siya. So, ayun. Kaya nakaganyan lang siya nga sa ngayon, guys. Kasi nga, kinukulot ko pa siya. And, ayun. And, yung pambaba namin, guys, ito siya. So, tokong siya. Ayan. And, for my accessories, this is my accessory. So, ayan, Chanel. Sorry, guys, ang daldal ko. Pero, fun fact, alam nyo ba, pangatlong Chanel ko na to. Like, ayan, perpetual pa lang. Yung una nawala nung swimming namin sa perpetual. Tapos, yung second, nawala yung isang piraso nung nakaraang month lang. And pangatlong bili ko na to guys, nitong Chanel na to. And ayan, back to piercing na ako guys. And bala ko magdagdag pa ng piercing. So ayun nga yung look ko, yung uniform, yung hair, yung accessory. And yun, syempre may ID tayo. And this is my watch. And this is my nails. So ayun. And malapit na tayo matapos guys. And for my shoes, this is my shoes. I'm just going to flex my new shoes. So ayan. It's a Samba. So, ayan. It's color green kasi it's my favorite color. Ayan, guys. First time ko siyang gagamitin today. Talagang sobrang ganda. Thank you so much, Mom. So, ayan nga yung shoes natin. And for my bag, guys, dapat yung green na Lacoste ko din yung gagamitin ko. Kaya lang, masyado na akong green na green. Like, green na yung uniform ko, green na yung shoes. Green flag ako, charot. Tapos, green pa yung bag. Kaya, yung blue na lang ginamit ko. I feel like using this blue Lacoste of mine. This is a new bag. Ewan ko kung napakita ko na to dito sa YouTube ko. And also, syempre, lagi ako may dalang sweater or jacket kasi malamig sa biyahe and malamig sa room. Kailangan talaga to pag tiga UST ka. So, ayun. So, ayun guys, 10 AM ang class ko ngayon and kailangan ko nang umalis and hindi naman tayo malilate. So, ayun, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo later yung look ko pag nakalugay na ako. So, I really missed you guys. So, without further ado, let's hop onto the video.
Sama ako.
Sama ako din. Ayaw mo sabi-sabi tayo maghirap.
Ayoko. Nai-stress na ako masyado.
Lorraine, hi ka sa vlog. Ayan guys, may baon na po siya.
Maghirap po tayo ngayon.
Andre, say hi to the vlog. Hi to the vlog. Chucky.
Dapat nakapakyo. Hindi ka nakikita yung shoes. Ano si Buma yan?
Puro ka pa. Ayaw ko ito. Si Andre na.
Basta.
Bakit?
Don't you understand? Your love
Hey guys! So today is April 5, 2024 and it's currently 6:18 p.m. And ayun, today is Friday and as you can see sa vlog na to, wala ako masyadong napakita na nangyari like sa school or with my friends or whatsoever kasi halos lahat ng mga props namin nasa bakasyon pa and wala talagang ganap masyado sa school and ayun, medyo boring so wala akong masyadong na-film. But today, nandito ako sa may Parcal or Parkel, I don't know how to pronounce this mall. Basta I'm here and I just finished taking a photo shoot. Nag-photoshoot ako I think 1 hour and this is my look. And for my fit, this is my top and this is my hair. And I'm wearing pants and nagtanggal muna ako ng heels kasi sobrang sakit na ng paa ko. So that's my heels, my new heels. And also, meron akong dala na eto. So ayan guys, nandyan yung salamin ko and yung extra ko na shoes and yung mga random things na need ko. And of course, hindi mawawala yung best friend ko. So ayun. Today, magpo-photoshoot kami ni Casey. Kaya lang wala pa din siya. So nauna na ako dito. So nandito na ako ng magto 2 hours na. So nauna na akong mag-photoshoot. And ayun, umalis ako ng bahay ng 3, I think. And dumating ako dito bago mag-5. So, magto 2 hours lang yung biyahe ko from Cavite papunta dito malapit sa may MOA. As in, malapit talaga to sa MOA. I mean, galing ako MOA kanina. Kaya lang si Casey, siya, Fairview. So, umalis siya ng magti-3 and dadating daw siya mga 7 pa ata. So, wait lang, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6, 7. So, mga 4 hours yung biyahe niya, guys. So, ayun. And ayun, guys, medyo palobot na din ako. And yun nga, nag-photoshoot na ako for 1.5 hour. And pagdating, i-wait ko lang talaga si Casey until 7. So, medyo i-wait ko pa talaga siya. Kasi, syempre, I feel bad for her. So, I'm going to take her some pictures. So, kukunan ko siya ng pictures. And, of course, magde-date kami. And pupunta kaming MOA. We're going to eat some lunch. Dinner pala, I mean. And baka mag-coffee kami. And baka mag-sleepover siya sa amin. So, yun yung pinaka-highlight ng vlog na to, guys. So, yeah. I'm just going to take you guys with me. I look so fucking gorgeous. Casey! I'm with Casey na, guys. After 4 hours. Okay na. Ay, ang sarap. Ang sarap. Ay, lilingon ka, lilingon. Lingon ka, dali. Lingon ka. Dali. Ang sarap. Alam mo yung ng mga putang ina. Tingnan niyo yung tripod ni Kim. May social anxiety siya, guys. Ayaw niya magpa-picture. Si Kylie Jenner po ay nasa Paranaque. At ang kanyang BFF. Char! Ano ba picture, guys? Meron dun, no? Uy, pero nabusog ako dun sa ano, ah. Saan? Sa pictures ko. Inulam? Yeah. Nakasog na ako dun. Okay na kayo na ako sa tuna eh. So, sabi mo yung vlog ko. Nag-vlog ako doon. Nakakainis ka, hindi mo naman in-upload yung vlog natin. Hindi ko pa na-edit. Okay guys, so we are here. We're currently here in Paranaque. Currently na here pa. Yeah. We're currently in Paranaque. In Parcal. What's the Near East Ocean Palace. And this is our view. We're walking in the streets of Kylie Jenner. What the fuck is this? Oh! Ay, dun medyo may walang masyadong tao. Yeah, ay dun masyadong walang tao. Sakto lang yan. Kinakaya ko yung tripod mo.
Darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfection.
guys, nasa Cavite na siya!
Hindi tayo inom. Chichibuglok tayo. Good morning.
What's on the other side?